Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make $100 in 36 seconds again and again with just one app. Definitely stay tuned to till the end of the video. Before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's go. So the app that we will be talking about today is called Lucky Day. So basically you will win real money. So how this app works. Lucky Day is 100% free sweepstake app. Lucky Day offers free scratchers, lotto and raffle games for a chance to win real money and rewards, with daily opportunities to win up to $100,000 in cash instantly, earn rewards or enter raffles. So Lucky Day is free lifestyle experience on your mobile device. We change lives daily by offering hundreds of games for our players to scratch and have chance to win real money instantly. Play your free daily lotto and scratch cards for a chance to win real money and prizes. New scratch cards are available daily for your chance to win up to $10,000 instantly. So this app is insane. Definitely make sure to download it for your mobile device. On your mobile device, it's free, so you got nothing to lose. So definitely 100. Okay, win the jackpot prize of $100,000 by entering the daily lotto. That's great. Win up to $10,000 by matching free winning symbols of the instant win scratch cards. So basically there's a lot of rewards you can get. So you can play daily. Now you can see here the time when you can play. As you can see, over 1.5 million in cash and rewards have already been awarded to Lucky Day players, with hundreds of real winners daily. You could be next. New scratch card games and lotto drawings are available daily, so make sure to play every day to maximize your chance to win. As you can see, there are big chance that you can win as well. So $100 every 36 seconds is definitely possible if you play every day. Lucky Day is free mobile gaming app that allows users to win money and prizes. No purchase is necessary. So it's completely free to join. As you can see, the stars are 4.6 out of 5. That means it's pretty great. And you can see some reviews. People earn money. Those are real people. So basically, why not give this application a try? It's pretty good. Check it out. It's called Lucky Day. You can win real money. I hope you like this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Peace out.
Catch 'em all.